Hi everyone, this is Rahul from TechBook. Hope everyone is doing great. Today we are gonna unbox and check out the Sony WH-510, which is a pretty good headphones from Sony on a budget. Yeah, this is the model number. Sony claims to have 35 hours of battery life, which is pretty good. The price mentioned on the box is approximately 5,000. But on Amazon you can get it for 2,700. So let's quickly open and look into the device. All the materials used is recycled with very less plastic as well. We have the headphones here, which is pretty lightweight, and a Type-C cable for charging the headphones and some paperwork. Let's look into the headphones. Feels very lightweight and solid. The cushion is also very soft. We can adjust the size according to your head size. On the right we have the volume plus and minus, the power on off, and the Type-C port, the LED indicators, and the microphone. Coming to the technical specifications, it has a 30mm drivers with frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and the battery life is around 35 hours on a full charge, and for a 10-minute charge get up to 90 minutes of playback. The Bluetooth version is 5.0 and support for voice assistance. The sound is great, the bass is punchy but doesn't have a support for app to customize. Overall, at this price, this is also a good option to consider if you need something from Sony, but nothing special, just basic headphones from Sony with their own sound tuning. Yes, and that's it for today. See you soon with another video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.